Care tips during first trimester of pregnancy. What precautions should be taken during the first 3 months of pregnancy? This is the biggest question for every woman who is expecting or planning to start a family. The first 3 months of pregnancy is crucial for every woman. There are chances of miscarriages, abortions, and many other complications. One must have heard several suggestions from your grandmothers about what to eat and what not to eat. Some such instances are: avoid papaya, do not wear heels, avoid tight clothes, stop eating things made up of jaggery, and many others. Pregnancy precautions can make the first trimester stress-free, as it could have been very stressful otherwise. The following are the common other early pregnancy precautions for your first trimester. Stay hydrated. The changes in the body during the onset of pregnancy increase the fluid requirement in the body. Drink plenty of water, fresh fruit juices, smoothies, and also eating vegetables such as cucumber that are high on water content to stay hydrated. Quit smoking and alcohol. Consuming alcohol during the first trimester may cause fetal alcohol syndrome, which affects the mental well-being and facial features of the child. Women who smoke during pregnancy are more likely to have premature labor and babies of low birth weight. Caffeine. Some experts believe that more than the 150 mg intake of caffeine a day during the first trimester poses a higher risk of miscarriage. Limit your caffeine intake by avoiding drinks such as green and black tea, colas, and sodas, as well as chocolates that contain caffeine. Limit contact with animals. If you have a pet at home, you should also limit contact with the animal. Your pet may carry Toxoplasma gondii, a harmful parasite that can cause long-term damage to the baby by attacking her brain. Say no to strong fragrances. Several women experience an increased sense of smell during the first trimester of their pregnancy, which can often cause symptoms such as morning sickness and nausea. If you experience such symptoms after smelling something, make sure you avoid such triggers. During the first trimester of pregnancy, it's important to take care of yourself so you can take care of your little one. The huge majority of women acknowledge that pregnancy involves simultaneous feelings of worry and joy. So, you have to follow these precautions to make your trimester stress-free.